Ever wondered how to create a stunning logo using Canva? Well, today's your lucky day because that's exactly what we're going to unravel in this tutorial. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, this tutorial is for you. So buckle up and prepare to unleash your creativity. First things first, navigate to Canva and create a new design. Choose the custom dimensions option and set it to the dimensions that suit your needs. This leaves you with a blank canvas ready and waiting for your logo design. Next, it's time to delve into the Elements tab. Search for specific shapes or icons that could form the base of your logo. Remember, you have the power to customize the color and size to fit your brand aesthetic. Don't be afraid to experiment with different options until you find that perfect element. Now, time to incorporate some text. Navigate to the Text tab and type in your brand name. For this example, a specific font style is chosen, and the size and spacing are adjusted for a clean look. Don't hesitate to play around with different fonts until you find the one that truly speaks your brand's language. To add a little more pizzazz, consider adding a tagline. Choose a smaller, complementary font and type in your tagline. Position it under your brand name, ensuring it doesn't overpower the main text. This step is optional, but a catchy tagline can make your logo even more memorable. For the final touch, it's time to add some color. Go back to the Elements tab and select your desired color. Apply it to your text and shapes. You can also experiment with gradients or different shades to add depth to your logo. To summarize, creating a logo in Canva involves 5 key steps: setting up your canvas, selecting and customizing elements, adding and formatting your text, possibly incorporating a tagline, and finally, adding color. It's a creative journey from a blank canvas to a logo that encapsulates your brand's identity. Remember, the beauty of Canva lies in its simplicity and flexibility, so don't be afraid to experiment with different shapes, fonts, and colors. Every brand is unique, and your logo should reflect that. Now go forth and create something amazing.